Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making an Aperol Spritz, combining the great flavors of a bold Aperol with a bubbly prosecco and a sparkling soda. This drink is great anytime, any place. So let's get started. Alright, so let's dive right into this recipe. You'll see it's really easy to make. All you need for prep is to slice up one large orange. All you need is as many slices as drinks that you're going to make. Each drink will have one slice of the orange as a garnish. Now to make the spritz, all you need to do is fill a wine glass with ice. And then you want to pour in 3 ounces worth of Aperol into the glass. We're going to follow that up by adding 3 ounces of your favorite dry prosecco as well into the glass. You're going to top each drink with a splash of club soda, or about 1 ounce worth. And for final touches, like I mentioned earlier, you want to garnish each glass with an orange slice. And that's it, you're done. Congrats, you've made an Aperol Spritz right at home. These are ready to be served and enjoyed. For a twist on this classic recipe, consider adding a splash of freshly squeezed orange juice to the Aperol Spritz for a citrusy burst of flavor. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this drink. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in the description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this drink recipe, and if you did, make sure you stir in an extra like button for me. It's one of the best ways to help the channel out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button too to see more recipes just like this one. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make a 5-star quality dessert. I learned how to make this after a Vegas trip. I really like this dish. It's a butter cake, and I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can always check out more on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.